Alright fellas, so you wanted to connect your cloud directly with your Jira projects. So the process actually is not that hard. You can get this totally for free, and if you have any question, of course, you can let me know in the comments below. So let's get started. The first thing I wanted to do is to sign in directly into my Jira account to make this element really fast and easiest. So to make the actual integration of the architecture, a structure layout table displays into the screen outline. And for example, the no code cloud sync is really fast and best for beginners. And what you wanted to do, of course, is, as you can see into the system map, you have 3 clear specific choices when you key directly into the actual Jira. So the first thing you wanted to do, of course, is to create an actual site, which in my case will be this one. I hit for the element that says continue. So there's a little easy integration. There's like a fast no code integration pipeline. You can generate the installation security tokens. So let's walk through the setup using an integration platform like Make or the Zapier. The step 1 is to configure some secure credentials. Here, for example, you can navigate through your installation profile security panel, and you can click directly into your API tokens and generate a create API token. So in my case, I will be just adding this information to track my specific work really fast. Let's go for, I'll do this later. There we go, and I hit for go to Jira. Now I'm going to be having access directly inside here. Now into cloud, I'm going to open a new chat, and let's say connect to my Jira website, project, whatever. So hidden inside that, and it's going to be asking you a few questions before we can actually make that connection. So I will be closing this for now. I'm going to open this element, and here is my actual Jira project. So let's head back directly into my Jira connection. It will be having the installation robot, which gives the access to Jira and Confluence. If I hit for the element that says connect, it will be popping up this new element. So what I needed to do is to make sure that this has now been successfully opened in the same browser, otherwise it just won't work. So when you click into Jira Confluence, you can enable Compass if you wanted to. In my case, I will only allow this 2 because these are the most easiest elements to make the authorization. So I needed to make the authorization between installation and this element. So I'm going to scroll all my way down, make sure that everything looks correctly, and hit for the element that says accept. Just like that, the actual Jira will be now connected to my Cloudy account, and what I need to do now is to be taking this back directly into my server here. For example, here's my top matches, and here what I wanted to do is to hit back again, and let's say done. Let's see if the actual Cloudy has now been successfully being connected. Now I'm going to hit back directly inside here. I have the task number 1, there's a task number 2. I'm going to add a subtask here, and I'm going to go for a new one, task number 3. So here. So as you can see, it seems that the connection isn't showing up yet. Could you refresh the page and sending a message again? I can go all my way back, hitting to connect once again, and try to approve this once more. This happens a lot with the free version of Cloudy, but you don't have to worry about that. If you try this for 2 or 3 times, usually the cloud has nothing left to be doing inside here, and you should see that the elements should be appearing as connected. And if it still doesn't happen, usually what I do is to close Cloudy. I go for right click directly inside here, I close Cloudy once again, and I try to open this back again and see if this one has not been successfully connected. So let's head back directly here for Cloudy. Let's go for my Jira project connection, and as you can see, now appears as connected. So let's get started and add 10 new tasks for June 10. Sometimes it will be asking you to a few questions about your specific task, about what you wanted to do. So for example, let Cloudy picks from my project. I'll type the project key. So in this case, I'm going to go for something speaking about design in just one project. So I hit always allow to make this process really important, and make sure to always allow this stuff. Now I'm going to close this element, and here I'm going to stick around with the Jira and see how thus the actual application will be working on it. So I'm going to always allow. Once again, you want to just to give access into basically everything to your design. So as you can see, it says always allow. Once again, I found your project. Here's my design team can, and I would head back and see if this one actually appears. As you can see, here's my design team, and as you can see, as we're speaking about it, it will be adding more and more and more tasks. This is how we can actually connect these elements straight away into our Jira. So just in case you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys again for watching. See you next time.